Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash gray old wood trim. Panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors on the back, side, and rear of the vehicle. You can adjust it with the camera button right there. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You are able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 9,987 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.